All right. Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful day yesterday. We gathered again this morning just to get some quick updates. I'm going to start on you, Abimbola. If you can just give an update on what you're focusing on today.
Yeah, morning everyone. Morning, Moji. Yesterday I worked on the header design and it's completed, so I've moved it to done. So today I will be working on the footer. If I can finish early, I'll pick on the homepage banner. That will be me today. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. Thanks, Abimbola. Sunji.
Yeah. Yesterday I worked on the header design. So I've started designing my test cases. So there is no issue on that, no blocker. Then today I'll be working on the footer. I'll be designing the test cases for the footer. That's me for now.
Okay. I notice your header design task is in progress. Are you finishing up that one before picking the task for the footer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Rita.
Yeah. I'll start working on mine today. Yesterday I got head up at work, so I couldn't really do anything on my tasks. Apologies for that. So I'll start working on mine
Okay. All right.
after
Thank you
tonight's
so
meeting.
much. Okay. Thank you. Does anybody have any update, or does anybody need anybody's help today? Anything you want to share with the team? Any updates for the team? Or if you need anybody's help?
I need help
No,
with
for me.
balsamic. Oh, sorry. I need help with balsamic. I can't log into it because I was meant to update the wireframe, but I don't know why I can't log in. Maybe someone would help me, but that's the only thing holding me back.
All right. Is that Tommy?
Yes, it's me.
Okay, that's fine. Let's meet. Let's meet later on. I'll send you a schedule, and then we can jump on the call and see what the issue is, so that I can help you resolve that. If that's okay with you.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah, I'll put something in the diary for you. Afternoon, okay for you?
Yep.
All right. Okay, we'll do that. All right. Thank you. Okay, so if anybody has any issue that you need help with, please put it in the chats, and then any member of the team can pick that up and help you with. If not, have a wonderful day, everyone.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, my next voiceover, this is the daily stand-up. I'm sure that's very direct. I don't need to say this more than 30 seconds. You see that they just said what they did yesterday. Even if you were not able to capture some other things for a reason or the other, Rita was very honest. And if you look at it in the true sense of it, Rita is taking a second leg of the work because Abimbola has to develop first before Rita picks up the job. So ideally, maybe in the real sense, it might be that, okay, maybe Abimbola finished, towards the end of the day and, passed it on. And then when Rita picked up that ticket, it's a bit late, so she wasn't really able to do anything. So of course, today she's going to put it in her schedule to do it. But please also don't get me wrong. In the real sense of it, at least there should be another task you were probably doing that didn't make you complete the other one. Or like if you came late, ideally, you might not have been able to do that. So maybe Rita might have written her test cases or something different, in the real sense. So always, because you're being paid every day, so you always have to have done something at least, but maybe on a particular task. It's always very good to be very honest. Sometimes that honesty also gears you to ensure that you do the right things at the right time. So I can assure you, Rita will not come to daily stand-up tomorrow and tell us she didn't do anything, because she's already said that she wasn't able to do those things today because of this reason or the other. So tomorrow definitely she would have done it. That's the part of the accountability that we're talking about. It gives pairs accountability. Then lastly, the only thing I'll touch on again when it comes to the daily stand-up is, you see the SM, she's ready to help resolve the issue. Now, don't get me wrong, the SM might not be the one resolving the issue, but she will steer it towards being resolved. That's one. Either she logs it on IT or directs the BA appropriately. Then you also heard that when she said it fully, that if you have any issues, please feel free to drop it on the chat. You don't have to wait till the next stand-up to drop your issue. As you go along, you're a team. You have to be collaborating. You have to be communicating with each other. You have to be speaking up immediately you have issues. chat the right person if you have issues, chat your customers, chat anybody that you need to chat, or send emails if you need a data or anything. So thank you. That's for daily stand-up. And you see the way she dismissed her team. Catch you later. We'll speak, let's put our issues on the board, something, just say 1 or 2 sentences, just to make the whole thing professional, and don't bore your team members. Straight to the point, out of the meeting. It's not compulsory you finish 15 minutes every time, but because of your numbers, you might end up finishing it, but if not. So thank you. That's for this daily stand-up. I'm stopping the recording now, and we'll go to the next one. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Lami, before you stop the recording, I just quickly want to
all right,
but we
go
didn't
ahead.
see it on the main board. So I'll share it, but Lami, you can please do a quick talk through. So Lami, yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. All right. So I just quickly want to show the team that it's not just on your sprint board. That's the one we went to and we did the daily stand-up on. Yeah, that's where you get the information that you need. But we also you have to go back on the main board itself, where we started the whole checking of the story from. So once Abimbola finishes, when Abimbola starts working, she puts it from committed to in-depth. She does what she needs to do, finish and put it in depth done. And then the QA working on the story picks it up, work on it. As you can see, is now in UAT, is Tommy doing the UAT. Tommy is the BA, so she will do the UAT. She's finished with the UAT with this one. And then the Tunji has finished with testing this one. That is in QA done, waiting for Tommy to pick it to do UAT on it. And then Rita is still carrying out test on this one. So you work on both boards, both this main board to show how your stories are moving, and then on the sprint board to show how your tasks are moving. That's just what I want to quickly explain before we go to the next ceremony. Thanks.
Thanks so much for that. That's very vital. I'll stop this recording now. Thank you.